Autotek, and today we're going to talk a little bit about maintenance interval service. Your vehicle in its owner's manual will tell you that you need several different maintenance packages at different mileages accordingly, whether it says 30, 45, 60, 75, 100,000 miles, and there'll be different lists of services that they expect you to get performed at your local dealership. When you purchase your vehicle new, your local dealership will often tell you that these need to be performed at the dealership no matter what to maintain your warranty. That's actually not true, and because we utilize products like CARFAX to be able to prove vehicle histories, we can guarantee that vehicle maintenance performed at Autotek will show appropriately and keep your warranty in check. We're going to be doing a short series about vehicle maintenance interval service, why it's important, and why you shouldn't be going to your dealership and paying a retail cost for it. Just wait to see what we've got next, and we'll talk to you about whether it's oil changes, air filters, or whatever other basics are in the maintenance interval so that we can keep you on the road as best as possible. Just wait to see what we've got coming next.